Health today. Okay, the first one is dochter. Dochter. So usually the C is not there, but it's still pronounced as dochter. Okay, that's doctor. Okay. Fiachler. Dentist. Fiachler. Liege. Couldn't find a picture for this. Too abstract. Liege. So liege means healer. Liege. So you don't pronounce.
So,
yeah.
Would this be what they had before they had doctors?
Yes.
So like the healing women and that type.
Yes. That's the exact word. Liege.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, healer. Okay. Banaltrum. Actually, literally it means female carer, but it's also used for nurse. Sometimes the English word is used, but that's the proper Gaelic one. Banaltrum. A female carer, a woman carer. Okay, a dog and dochter. So there will be lots of like little phrases connected with going to the doctors and health in general. A dog and doctor going to the doctor.
Gan, a dogan.
Gan doctor. Dog and
No,
doctor.
the middle word, gan, a dogan.
Doctor. Dog and going to the doctors. A dolgachi. You have seen the word gachi before. A dolgachi. Going home. Gachi. A dog and lappy. Going to bed. A dog and lappy.
How do you say that? Gan, dan, gan.
Gan. A dog gan lappy. Going to bed. Oops. Finished it. So next one is dog and hospital. Dog and hospital. Dog and hospital. Egal, Pilichen. Egal, Pilichen. Taking tablets or pills. Egal, Pilichen. Okay. Next one. Akasatich. Sounds a little bit like, like the actual thing. Means coffin. Akasatich. Yeah, akasatich. Coffin. Astroortich. Sneezing. Okay, next one. Akurama. I like that picture. Akurama.
Vomiting. Okay. Akuramach.
Mach, it's
Akuramach.
yeah,
Akuramach.
there we are. Kuramach. No, you can. Okay. Okay, a basige glit. Couldn't find a picture for this. A basige glit.
Well,
We're dying with.
a basaheg.
A basige glit. The lay is with. Sometimes there's people say it as a joke, kind of. A basige glit. A basige glit. So sometimes people say, "Honey, a basige glit krachten." Obviously, like as a joke. So you see, oh, it's feeling so bad. That is just a cold. Okay. The krachten is a cold. Yeah.
Oh,
But,
okay.
but would you use that with, if you say he's dying of cancer, you say.
Yeah,
a
you can also, yeah.
Okay.
You can also use it there.
Okay.
Okay, so een gietje. Een gietje. Een gietje.
Okay.
Ja, een gietje. Okay. Een goal. Ik ken. Goal. Okay. Een cattle. Cattle. Okay, a few sentences. Jehakar. What's wrong? Jehakar. Jehakar. What's wrong? The doctor might ask. Well, prepare him to play doctor anyway. If we have time. Jehakar. What's wrong? Okay, and then that could be a possible answer. Hucht me and you. Hucht me and you. Hucht me and you. Hucht me and you. Hucht me. Hucht me and you. Okay, I felt today. Hamochas briście. Hamochas briście. I fell, and now my leg is broken. Hamochas briście. Briście. Briście.
Hashed Priester.
Mochas briście.
Has Priester.
Well, you can say hamolav briście too. That's for arm. Kače vil do grain gost. We have already seen this word gost, so. Kače vil do grain gost. So grain is back. We have seen this as well. Kače vil do grain gost. So that's something that the doctor can say to you, ask you. Kače vil do grain gost.
That was Graham or Dream?
It was grain because it was more dog grain, dog grain, your back,
No Dream. Right. Okay.
dog grain, dog grain.
Oh, it is Graham. Okay. Do Graham.
Okay. Chami uavasach che. Chami uavasach che. Chami uavasach che. I'm terribly hot. Chami uavasach che. Uavasach means terribly in this case. And uavasach che. Uavasach che.
Che.
Yeah. And terribly hot. Last one. Hatachas mo chrachten. Chrachten. Not an easy word to pronounce. Mo chrachten. So krachten is skin. Mo chrachten. My skin. Tachas mo chrachten. Tachas. Tachas means eachiness. So each. Tachas mo chrachten. The last one.